What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel for another hockey card video. Yes, I did a little Black Friday shopping with some hockey cards, so I got a lot of them to open. So yeah, today we're going to be opening a set that we're going to actually be going through a lot of sets in the channel that I never got the chance to open last year because I wasn't into the hobby yet. So one of the ones that I personally have really been lucky with already is this guy right here. We got Upper Deck Trilogy right here. Yeah, so we got 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. So it's gonna be a really short video, not too many packs, but in every pack you get 4 cards, and usually in every pack, actually I think it's pretty much every pack, you get some kind of numbered card at least. There's some really cool looking base cards in this, and then you get like a numbered card, you get a variation, stuff like that. There's different levels. I'll show you in the camera right here. So this is one of the ones that I pulled in one of the group buys that I did of Quinn Hughes. This is the level 2 version, and it is numbered out of 499. And then there's a level 1, which is numbered out, I think, 999. There's a level 3, which is leveled out of, I believe, maybe 199. So yeah, there's that. And then you can also get these really cool cards right here that I got at Quinn Hughes as well. These rookie signature pucks as well. And then, like I said in one of my last videos, you can actually get this that is numbered as well with a gold autograph. So that would be really cool to get a hit like that. So this was another Black Friday pickup, and yeah, this thing is usually a bit more expensive, but I got it for $69.99. So there you go. Some of this cool stuff, got it pretty cheap. So let's get this thing open and see what we get out of it. Oh, before we start, I even forgot to show you guys. I have one of these too. This is one. So there's gonna be a lot of these right here, these rookie cards in this set. The base set looks like the same as this, but it's probably just blue and not red. And like these ones, the red ones, they're numbered right here. You can barely even see it on this camera right here, but it's numbered out of $7.99. But yeah, here's another one of Quinn Hughes that I got that was pretty cool. But yeah, you're gonna see a lot of these in this set as well. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this box open right here. Let me get this thing. Let's see what we got here. There we go. And let's open it up like we're at the card store and put the nice picture of 3 Wayne Gretzky's right here. So we'll put this guy right in front of us, and let's go ahead and start getting these packs open. So here is the pack right here. Here's Wayne Gretzky, another Kings jersey. So very nice right there. I honestly should I shuffle the packs? They usually always put the really good inserts at the top. I wonder if I should shuffle these up and actually do them on a different order. Maybe I'll do them in reverse order. How about that? Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do something crazy here. I've never seen anybody on these do this. Let's put them upside down and pull them out that way. Why not? Let's do them in reverse order. Here we go. First pack right here. This is a very thick pack. Maybe this is a terrible idea. Hold on. Is that a thick one? Yes, it is. Okay, we're saving that for last. All right, here we go. This one's first. Here we go. Trilogy. That one might have a puck in it. I'm just saying. All right, here we go. I'm trying not to flash what is in these before I actually do it here. And there is usually one of these, insert things in there to make sure that you don't know what's inside of it. Anyway, well, here we go. First, we started off with the base. This is what an actual base card, just regular base card looks like right there. Marc-Andre Fleury. There's regular base right there. Nice little Golden Knights card right there. I'm collecting the Golden Knights and the Capitals, so cool personal collection card right there. Nice. And then here's the base, just Trilogy rookie rendition cards. This is what I was talking about. This is what these look like. There you go right there. So yeah, Zach McEwen. I actually already have this card. That group break that I did, I got this out of that too. So there you go. And then here is our thingy right here. Oh, and we did get one of these Trilogy rookie editions of, it's a blue one out of $3.99 right here. Nice. Of Blake Lizotte. So that's a cool one. Very nice. That's an even lower number. Very cool. Nice. There's where our first hit, I guess you could call it. And then we got Matthew Tkachuk, a base pack. Or base card right there. There you go, Matthew Tkachuk. All right, put that over there. Alrighty, let's keep going here. Next pack up. Out of our, few packs we got in here. Here we go. All right. Good old Trilogy. Here we go. So we got Dylan Larkin. Just base Dylan Larkin right there. And then we got a Trilogy rookie rendition. So like I told you guys, you're going to see a lot of these in here. Of Joey Daccord. I have no idea what that is. All right. Oh, and then we got a Cale Makar. Nice. It's only a level 1, but that Like, that is the rookie premieres card you'd want to get out of this. Very nice. So yeah, since I got the Quinn already, this man, I wish I had a better parallel of that, like a level 2 or level 3, because you can see this one is out of 999 right there. So we got what, 968 of 999. Oh man, wouldn't that be cool if it was 999 of 999? That'd be sick. But yeah, very cool looking card. I like that. Nice Cale Makar card. Very cool. And that's the level 1 is what that looks like. So you guys can see we got, oh, I'm dropping it here. That's the level 1, and then you can see Quinn Hughes that I got right here. That's what level 2 looks like. And so let's see if we can get a level 3 as well. So we can, you know, get that. What I really would hope to get is a level 1 and level 3 of Quinn Hughes so I can complete the set of him. That'd be kind of cool. Insert, and then we got a regular guy of Jordan Bennington right there. Cool. All right, next pack up. We're just gonna go in, you know, side to side order. Here we go. And see if we get anything good out of here. So you're supposed to be able to get an autograph or something like that out of here too. So let's keep looking for those. You should be getting something like that out of this pack. Yeah, you should be getting jersey, auto patch, parallels. Those are all possible. So let's see if we get anything. So here we go. We got Pasta right here. Just a regular base card. Oh, we got Blake Lazat's regular rookie renditions right there. There you go. And then, okay, we got a Philip Zadina at a 999 right there. All right, there you go. There's another one of those. Trilogy rookie premieres. There you go. That's what those look like. Got another one of the level 1s right there. And then we got the insert and this Mark Stone base. All right, so I mean, I'm hoping I actually guessed it right, and I'm saving the good pack for last, because so far we're still waiting on our major hits. I mean, we got that one good lower numbered parallel card, but that's pretty much it so far, you guys. We haven't gotten anything like super good yet to justify the price of the pack. So let me see what we got here. We got a Patrick Kane base card. Too bad that wasn't something good. Oh, I think we got something back here. Yep, we did. Let me go from the back this time. Here we go. We got Mitch Marner base. What else we got here? Is this the insert? Yep. Let me put that. You got Rasmus Sandin right there, and let me go ahead and do this. And we'll slow roll it just for fun, because there's not a lot of cards in this pack here. So what do we got? Rookie premieres. Who is it? Oh, it's an Arizona Coyote. Oh man, is this a level 3? Oh, it's level 2 of, oh, Barrett Hayton, and it's an auto as well. Okay. Well, there's one of our only auto hit probably. There you go. Barrett Hayton, the sticker auto, level 2. Okay, not bad, not bad. Still got an auto card. That's pretty cool. Nice Barrett Hayton auto card for Trilogy Rookie Premiere. We'll go ahead and make sure we put that in a sleeve real fast, since we do have an auto on it. Let me go ahead and get this guy out and put him in that. There we go. Oh, come on, Barrett, get in there. All right, cool. There you go. Well, there's our autograph. Maybe we'll get another one. I'm not sure, but there's Barrett Hayton right there, level 2. So, I mean, at least it was a level 2, not a level 1, because, like, I meant to tell you guys, all the Rookie Premiere levels, you can actually get those autographed as well. But I guess it's good to have a level 2 card that's autographed and not, like, a level 1 or something like that, so, cool. All right, there you go. There's another hit. Okay, so here's this pack. We'll put our last pack that I thought was good right there, but I don't really know. This one actually feels very thick, too. These both might be thicker. I don't know. It could just be the insert. Let's see. All right. I don't know. I could just be, you know, I could just not even know what I'm doing. Here we go. But if we got something good, then, you know, it all works out. All right. Because there are really cool inserts you can get in this. What is going on the side of that? Okay. Yeah, I think we got a cool card in this one, at least. All right. So we got, yeah, we did. Okay. So, oh, my Lord. We got another one. Well, okay. I was trying to slow roll that, but that's not going to happen. Holy crap. This is a good pack. Okay. Base card rookie renditions of Eric Brandstrom right there. There's a rookie. And then we got a level 1 autograph of Zach Zanishin right there on the Boston Bruins out of 399. That's a cool card. And then right behind it, we got an Eric Brandstrom rookie premieres level 1 as well, and that is out of 999. So you got like essentially 2 numbered cards in the same pack. That's pretty cool. So there you go. There's Zach Zanishin. Let's go ahead and get a sleeve for him too. All right, so we got 2 autos out of the pack. That's not bad. I mean, that's kind of cool. All right. I mean, you know, what are you gonna do? You got 2 autograph cards. Can't complain about that. That's pretty cool. Not 2 players particularly that I'm a fan of, but you know, can't complain. 2 autos. There you go. Nice. Yeah, let's keep going with this pack here. In the back there was just a base of Anders Lee. And then, yeah, this Trilogy rookie premieres of Eric Brandstrom out of 999. So there you go. And then another one of those little guys. All right, last pack, you guys. Let's see if there's some last pack magic and if I get anything good. I already hit the 2 autos right there, so I don't know if I'm going to get anything else out of this. But let's find out. This pack is being very stubborn, too. It's like almost like it doesn't want to open. It's like, don't do it. You're going to be too excited. Oh, my God. Or I'm just going to be in for disappointment. That's all it is. It's going to be very disappointed. Okay. There's something very... Oh, there's a thick card in there. Holy shit. Okay. There's a really thick card in here. Hold on a second. I was right. Let me see something really quick. Yep. There's a very thick card right there. Can you guys see that? Is it focusing? Yep. There's a really thick card right there. So I was right. It is thicker. Okay. 1 second. Let's go ahead and do this smart. Let's go ahead and go from the back here. What do we have here? We have, yep. So when you see 2 base cards like this is how you know. There's only 3 cards in this. We got something good. So we got Barkov right there. I love that I saved this for the last pack too. So we got Dominic Kubalik, his rookie renditions. So let's just slow roll our hit right here. What is this? It's a goalie. And it's for the Ducks. Who is this? Oh, okay, it's a John Gibson jersey. Okay. I mean, not terrible. No auto. It's not even, is it even numbered? Nope, it's not numbered. But yeah, this is considered a hit, I guess. So yeah, there you go. John Gibson jersey. Man, I thought that was going to be something a lot better, but it wasn't. Oh well, jersey card, pretty cool right there. Nice. All right, let's recap what we got. Okay, so let's go through our good cards here. Let me pick these up. We got a lot of rookie cards, like I said. This is what you end up getting out of Trilogy, but here we go. We got that Blake Lizotte rookie renditions out of, what was it, $3.99 right there, the blue one. That's kind of cool. We got the Cale Makar at a $9.99. That's actually really good. I like that card. It's more of the money card right there, you'd say. Then we got Philip Sedina at a $9.99. And then we got our, what is this, Eric Brandstrom at a $9.99. We got our John Gibson patch right here. Here's our 3 hits. We got our patch, no auto, unfortunately, but just a regular patch. And then we got our 2 autos right there. We got a Barrett Hayton and a Zach Zanishin auto. A level 1, and this one's a level 2, so that's kind of cool. But there you go. Dual auto box for Trilogy right there. That's kind of cool. Yeah, that's it, you guys. All right, so that's going to be it for Trilogy, you guys. I know it's a shorter little box of cards. I tried to make it a little more interesting by saving that pack at the last bit. But unfortunately, wasn't what we wanted. But, you know, that's how it goes sometimes. It's all luck. But, yeah, if you guys like seeing breaks like this, make sure you guys give the video a like. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, I mean, you're going to see them anyway because I have a ton of stuff to open. But if you want to see my other content as well, make sure you get subscribed with notifications on. And I will see you in the next one. Later.